Here is the question. Equal amounts of a liquid metal at the same temperature are poured into 3 molds made of steel, copper and aluminum. The shape of the cavity is a cylinder with 15 mm diameter. The sizes of the molds are such that the outside temperatures of the molds do not increase appreciably beyond the atmospheric temperature during solidification. The sequence of solidification in the mold from the fastest to slowest is: thermal conductivities of steel, copper and aluminum are 60.5, 401 and 237 watt per meter Kelvin respectively. Specific heats of steel, copper and aluminum are 434, 385, 903 joule per kg Kelvin respectively. Densities of steel, copper and aluminum are 7854, 8933 and 2700 kg per meter cube respectively. Option A, copper, steel, aluminum. Option B, aluminum, steel, copper. Option C, copper, aluminum, steel. Option D, steel, copper, aluminum. Now, this question was asked in GATE 2016, set 3 for 1 mark, and it is a multiple choice type question. Here in the question he said that equal amounts of liquid metal at same temperature is poured into the molds and the shape of the cavity is cylinder with 15 mm diameter, and the materials that were given are steel, copper and aluminum. We need to determine the sequence of solidification in the mold from the fastest to slowest. See, this particular sequence of solidification depends upon one particular property, that is nothing but the thermal diffusivity of that material. So, we need to calculate the thermal diffusivity of steel, copper as well as aluminum and see which one is greater. So, depending upon that, we can determine which one is solidifying faster and which one is solidifying slowly. See, this thermal diffusivity is the property of that particular material which determines how fast or slow heat transfer takes place through that particular material. So, therefore, we need to determine the thermal diffusivity of each of the material. So, the formula for thermal diffusivity is thermal conductivity by density into specific heat. So, thermal diffusivity is denoted by alpha, K is the thermal conductivity, rho is the density and C is the specific heat. And the unit of this thermal diffusivity will be meter square per second. Now, let us calculate the thermal diffusivity of each of the particular thing. So, let us take the first one, thermal diffusivity of copper. So, this is thermal conductivity of copper by density into specific heat of copper. So, thermal conductivity of copper in the question is given as 401 watt per meter Kelvin. Density is 8933 kg per meter cube and specific heat is 385 joule per kg Kelvin. On solving this, we are going to get 0.1659 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter square per second. Now, let us take thermal diffusivity of steel. This is K by rho C of steel. So, thermal conductivity of steel is given as 60.5, density is 7854 into specific heat is 434. On solving this, we will get 0.0177 into 10 power minus 3 meter square per second. Thermal diffusivity of aluminum, alpha A is K by rho C of aluminum. So, this will be 237 divided by 2700 into 903. So, this will be 0.097 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter square per second. So, if you observe carefully, the thermal diffusivity of copper is greater than that of aluminum, greater than that of steel. So, therefore, copper solidifies faster, then aluminum solidifies later, and out of these steel will solidify at the end. So therefore, our answer will be copper, aluminum, steel. So option C will be correct for this particular question. This is the end of explanation for this question.